Hi guys, so in today's video we'll be unboxing the Casio MQ24 black strap watch, which is one of the most popular watches on Amazon right now. I picked this up for roughly around 18 Canadian dollars. Uh, since I'm not a big watch fan, I thought that this watch would be a good starting point in my watch journey. The reason for this video today is because before buying this watch, it was very difficult for me to find online reviews on it. So I thought a quick unboxing would help you guys decide whether to get this watch or not. So yeah, let's dive right into the unboxing. So we first gotta take off both stickers from both sides of the box. I've already done so, so let's just slide that right out. And again, this is just a $18 budget watch on Amazon, so I wouldn't expect much from presentation. But let's just see. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. First impressions, actually, the unboxing experience is not the best, of course, but it's at least better than other watches in this price range. Usually, they would just give a plastic bag in your watch, not like a box or so. So I really appreciate Casio for doing that. So take this right off. It also comes with a stand, so I mean it's plastic stand, but still as a stand at the end of the day. So taking it off for the first time. And here's the Casio watch. So this is a 35 millimeter dial. It'll fit perfectly, hopefully, on my wrist, and I'll show that to you guys in a bit. And feeling the watch for the first time, this band is really thin. Like I know it's budget watch and all, but like I think Casio could have done a bit better on the band right here because this is like really thin. Like you see how thin that is. That's very thin. And this also runs on battery, of course, but hopefully it will last a couple months to a year or so before needing to replace it. So let me try it on for the first time on my wrist. Okay. Mhm. Oh, this might take some time. Okay, and I have small wrist for some reason, so yeah, I'm gonna let you guys judge. Yeah, very simple, elegant, and stylish watch. We could use this to class, going on meetings, doing presentations, and so on. Again, I'm not a big watch guy, so um, I don't know much about like watches and how expensive and cheap watches different prices aside from their quality. Like some watches go for hundreds of thousands of dollars, and I do not know why. But yeah, here's it on my wrist. It looks pretty good actually, to be honest. But again, this band is really thin. Just in case you guys didn't know that, it's very thin. But hopefully it will last a while before needing to replace it. So yeah, that's a brief overview and unboxing of the Casio MQ24 watch. Uh, One of the best-selling watches on Amazon right now, especially for its price. So yeah, you guys have a good day.